Introduction to smart contracts. Have you ever heard of smart contracts? They are digital contracts that run on the blockchain. Traditional contracts require intermediaries like lawyers and banks to enforce them. Smart contracts, on the other hand, are self-executing. They are programmed to execute automatically when certain conditions are met. This makes them more secure, efficient, and cost-effective. How smart contracts work. Let's take a closer look at how smart contracts work. Smart contracts are coded with a set of rules and conditions that must be met for the contract to be executed. When these conditions are met, the contract is automatically executed and recorded on the blockchain. Advantages of smart contracts. So, what are the advantages of using smart contracts? First, they eliminate the need for intermediaries like lawyers and banks, making them faster and more cost-effective. Second, they are stored on the blockchain, which makes them tamper-proof and more secure. Examples of smart contracts. Let's take a look at some examples of smart contracts in action. Real estate contracts can be executed through smart contracts, which automate the transfer of property ownership and eliminate the need for intermediaries. Insurance claims can also be processed through smart contracts, which automate the verification and payment of claims. Limitations of smart contracts. While smart contracts have many advantages, there are also some limitations to consider. First, if the code is not written correctly, the contract may not execute as intended, leading to errors or disputes. Second, smart contracts are only as fair as the code they are based on. If the code is biased or discriminatory, the contract may not be fair. Future of smart contracts. So, what does the future hold for smart contracts? As blockchain technology continues to evolve, smart contracts are likely to become more sophisticated and powerful. We may see smart contracts being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance to supply chain management. In conclusion, smart contracts are a powerful tool that have the potential to revolutionize the way we do business. By automating contracts and eliminating intermediaries, we can save time, money, and reduce the risk of fraud. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of smart contracts in the future.